All right, so we have one of our printers is now automated. So this printer here, B15, is now automated. It'll run a print, eject the part, and start the next one. It is the FarmLoop Level 2 system. I'm gonna walk through a little bit about how it works, and then I'll set this thing up on a tripod and you can watch it go through. So here's how it works. Let me open the door. Well, actually, first off, this opens and closes the door, so when the print is finished, this rod pulls and opens the door. So now the door opens up. This fan will turn on. The bed will lower. The corner of the bed attaches down here to this little piece. This is on another piston. This piston moves up and down, which flexes the corner of the bed, which will release what you're making and then push it off, and I just have a temporary bin here to catch it. Now the tricky part is I print with ABS, which is very hard to keep from warping. Even using a P1S, it can be a bit of a problem. I have added a heater to this printer, so I'd highly recommend anybody printing ABS that's going to use an automated system like this to use a heated chamber. It's a $100 edition, and it really cuts down on warping, and it makes, you got to have pretty light bed adhesion in order for this system to eject, and the only way to do that is to really hold back on warping. So the heated chamber has really helped with that. And yeah, I'll set this thing up on a tripod and you guys can watch it work. Alright, so that's how the system works. So now this printer can print for days on end without me touching it, and that's super important. Moving into the new space, it won't be close to my house, it'll be a few minutes away. So now I can set up printers to run throughout the weekend, and I mean, I already print through the night, but they can print now for days on end without any interaction. So I'm going to be adding this system to more and more of my printers as I go along, and yeah, it should help out quite a bit.